Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best reusable straws is probably one of the most impactful swaps you can make for the environment. Ditching disposable plastic straws is a small change with a big effect, but with so many options out there, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we'll dive into the world of reusable straws, exploring different materials, designs, and what to consider before you buy. Number 5. ALINK Tritan Reusable Straws with Cleaning Brush. These straws are made of Tritan, which is BPA-free, translucent, and unbreakable. Unlike other plastic straws, they are designed to be durable and long-lasting. You can use them with confidence knowing they are safe and reliable. This set includes 32 straws and 3 cleaning brushes. The straws are 10.5 inches long, perfect for various tumblers and mugs. The brushes make cleaning easy and convenient. The straws are great for mason jars, Yeti, Turvis, and other tumblers. Their length and diameter are designed to fit perfectly. It is suitable for a variety of drinks. These straws are reusable and can withstand daily wear and tear. They are suitable for both hot and cold beverages. This makes them a great choice for everyday use. The straws come in a simple gift box, making them a great gift for family and friends. They are a practical and eco-friendly choice. It is a thoughtful present for anyone. What we like. These straws are made of Tritan, a material that's both translucent and incredibly durable. Unlike other straws, it can stand up to daily wear and tear. If you are looking for a straw that is both safe and long-lasting, you should consider this one. What people say. They fit perfect for the 20-ounce lids. Good thick quality plastic so they won't break easy. They come in beautiful colors as well. I like being able to mix-match my colors. Sturdy and inexpensive purchased. Perfect size, work great. Number 4. Reusable plastic straws for mason jars and tumblers. Introducing a set of 33 reusable straws, perfect for all your drinking needs. This comprehensive set includes straws, cleaning brushes, and a carrying case, making it convenient for use at home or on the go. The set features a rainbow of colors including red, pink, purple, sapphire, yellow, and green. These vibrant straws add a touch of fun to any drink, and they are easy to identify. Made from eco-friendly, food-grade plastic, these straws are sturdy, unbreakable, and BPA-free. You can enjoy your favorite beverages with peace of mind, knowing that it's safe for you and the environment. These straws are designed to fit mason jars and tumblers of various sizes, from 16 ounces to 30 ounces. They can also be cut to fit smaller cups, offering versatility for all your cups. These straws are reusable and dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and maintain. With the included cleaning brushes, you can ensure they are always ready for your next drink. What we like. This set comes with a variety of vibrant colors to match any drink or occasion. They are made of eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and reusability. If you like having options and want to keep your straws organized, you should consider this one. What people say. The package includes 30 straws in 6 different colors, 5 of each color. You also get 2 straw cleaners, the bristles are fairly stiff which is a plus, and a storage carrying bag. These straws are 9 inches long so they're a little taller than your basic store-bought disposable straw. The straws are super easy to clean and I like that they are made of clear plastic, besides the colored stripe, so you can see through them to make sure you've cleaned them well. Number 3. Reusable plastic straws for mason jars and tumblers. Introducing a set of 32 reusable straws, perfect for all your drinking needs. This set includes 30 straws and 2 cleaning brushes, ensuring you always have a clean straw ready to go. These straws are approximately 10.25 inches long and come in a variety of vibrant rainbow colors. They are designed to fit perfectly in mason jars, tumblers, and mugs of various sizes. Made from eco-friendly, food-grade plastic, these straws are BPA-free and unbreakable. You can use them with confidence, knowing that they are safe for you and the environment. These straws are compatible with 16 ounces, 20 ounces, 24 ounces, and 30-ounce tumblers. You can even cut them shorter to fit smaller cups. These straws are reusable and dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean and maintain. The included cleaning brushes ensure that you can keep them spotless after each use. What we like. These straws come in a beautiful rainbow of colors, adding a fun touch to your drinks. They are made from eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic and can be cut to fit any cup size. If you are looking for a colorful and adaptable straw, you should consider this one. What people say. They are long enough for my largest tumblers and wide enough to drink anything easily. These straws fit every lid we have. The multiple colors allow me to assign a color to each family member for reusing so that everyone knows whose straw is whose when taking them out to a dining drinking location that no longer allows disposable straws. Local environmental measures. Number 2. Reusable glitter straws 12-piece set. Introducing a set of 12 reusable straws. They come in 6 vibrant colors, perfect for any occasion. These straws are a fun and practical choice. Each straw is 11 inches long, with a 0.23-inch inner diameter and a 0.3-inch outer diameter. They are designed to fit tall cups and tumblers perfectly. Made from eco-friendly, food-grade plastic, these straws are BPA-free, sturdy, and unbreakable. You can use them with confidence, knowing they are safe. These straws are compatible with mason jars and tumblers from 16 ounces to 30 ounces. You can even cut them shorter to fit smaller cups. The versatility is great. The glitter sparkle design adds a touch of fun. They are also a great gift for family and friends. These straws are sure to bring a smile. Please remember, these straws are not dishwasher safe. Use the included cleaning brush for easy maintenance. This will keep them in great condition. What we like. These straws feature a glitter sparkle design, making them a fun and eye-catching accessory. They are extra long, perfect for taller cups, and made of BPA-free plastic. If you like a little sparkle in your life, you should consider this one. What people say. This is the perfect size for most 24 ounces tumblers. Love the colors. I've had mine for over a year. After many uses, they're still durable. Fit my cup well. Number 1. Dakoufish 11-inch reusable straws. Introducing the Dakoufish reusable straws, perfect for your favorite drinks. This set includes 12 straws in various colors, along with a cleaning brush. These 11-inch straws are ideal for mason jars, tumblers, and mugs of various sizes. They have a 0.3-inch diameter and 1 mm thickness, making them durable and easy to use. Made from food-grade, BPA-free PP plastic, these straws are safe for both cold and hot drinks. You can even put it in the dishwasher. Choose these reusable straws to reduce waste and protect the environment. They are a great alternative to disposable straws. Before the first use, please wash it. They are easy to clean and maintain, ensuring they're always ready for your next drink. What we like. These straws are made from thick, durable plastic, ensuring they can handle both cold and hot drinks. They are also dishwasher safe, making them easy to clean. If you want a straw that is both sturdy and easy to maintain, you should consider this one. What people say. Very pretty and bright colors. Sturdy. Also came with a nice, long brush to clean them with. I run the brush with some dish soap through the straw, then run it through the dishwasher. They're colorful, strong and long enough for my enormous RTC cup that never leaves my side. These straws are very sturdy, they don't seem like they'll have any issues with breakage or bending. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.